Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Discord to N8N. First, go to the N8N website and log into your account. Then, click on the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new workflow. Now, search for Discord in the search bar and click on it when it appears. Here, you'll see various options. Click on create a channel or any action you like sending a message. Next, select the connection type. You can choose between bot token, OAuth, or webhook. For most automations, then bot token is recommended. Then click on select credential and choose create new credential. Now enter your client ID and client secret from your Discord developer portal. Make sure your Discord bot is already created in the developer portal. After that, choose the authentication method, either header or body depending on your setup. Then enter your bot token, which you get when setting up the bot in Discord. Now, click on Save to finish setting up the credential. Next, go back and select the resource you want to work with, such as channel or message, and choose an operation like create, send, or delete. Then, select the server, also called a guild in Discord where your bot has access. You can select it from a list by URL or by ID. Now, choose a channel within that server. Again, select it from the list by URL or by ID. Here, enter the message you want a bot to send. This can be fixed message or dynamic content based on your workflow. After that, double check all settings, then click the play button at the top to run the workflow. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.